Are we on? Yes, we are on. Squeaky chair. It is hot. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another stream. Great to have you guys here again. Rami, Pedro, Ron, Michael. 2 Michaels in the building. Terry. How's it going, boys? Good to have you guys back on the stream. Let me know. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. We are running off 4G. I'm all set up in the new place. So we're running off 4G. If it's a little bit laggy, let me know and I can use a different phone. But hopefully things are all good. I can't really see the chat changing too much. I don't know if that's my side. I may use a different phone. Guys, drop a little message. You can hear me? Cool. Nice one, Roland. Thank you, man. Thank you. Good, good, good. All right. Good to have you guys back on the stream. Hope everyone is doing well, having a good week. Markets are moving. Gold has seen a nice Asia drop, which is fantastic after liquidating some highs. So we got some nice movement already this morning. Yeah, lagging. It's lagging. Oh, is it lagging for everyone? Guys, let me know if it's lagging. I can quickly switch my phone before we start jumping on the charts. Cracked open a coldie. Only a Coke, man. Only a Coke Zero. Picture's a little bit laggy. Okay, let me see. It's better now? Okay, cool. Well, you guys let me know, and then I can switch to a different phone. Let me just watch it on my other phone to see what it's like. GBP CPI is bleeding. Hell yeah, man. GJ just had a quick little drop. But how is everyone? How has everyone's week been? Lagging. Ah, shit. All right, let me disconnect this phone and connect another one. It might cut out for 2 seconds, but I will be back. I want to make sure I'm on a different phone. I'm having obviously I'm in the new place, and Wi-Fi is getting sorted on Friday. So on Friday stream we'll have good Wi-Fi again. But hopefully you guys can hear me all loud and clear now. We should be all good. All right, let me just pull up the charts and get the community going. I've got 2 bars of signal. It's not very good. Gold, GJ is moving. All right, guys, I'm just gonna get set up on Zoom and then we'll get cracking. We will get going. Remember, guys, drop a little like. Do I speak Spanish? No, mate, I do not speak Spanish. I don't speak Spanish, brother. Although I wouldn't mind speaking Spanish. It'd be pretty cool to speak Spanish. But no, I do not speak Spanish, man. If you want to teach me some Spanish for some Forex tips, sir. All good, nice one. Thank you, Bill. Thank you for letting me know. Just need access, mate. Now you're a true Queenslander. I'll get on it, Terry. I'll get on it. But yeah, guys, this is the first stream in the new crib, in the new place. So apologies for the little Wi-Fi issues, but we'll get sorted as we go. We've got the new stand-up desk. We got the nice fancy, look at this, got a fancy gaming chair now, all ready to go like a true streamer. How's it going, Brian? Good to have you here, brother. Good to have you here. Yeah, well, we will check the charts in a second, guys. Drop us a little like, and I will get the Zoom guys going, and then we'll get cracking. We'll get cracking. What's everyone looking at today? We've just had that news come out. All right, Alad's joining. Yeah, UK CPI 10.1% versus 10.3 year-on-year expected. Okay, interesting. Congrats on your apartment. Thank you, man. I moved into a new house. New house, new office, new garden. Life is good, man. Life is good. It's nice to have lots of space. Do I have a nice place? A nice view? Yeah, it's not too bad, man. Maybe I'll take a message me on Instagram. I'll take a picture of my view. But I got a nice view of the woods. Some nice trees. I can see my garden. Let's get them pepperoonies. Absolutely, Jimmy. Let's fucking get it. All right. Let's get it going. Let's start sharing the screen. Start breaking some charts. Oh shit. Okay, let me get everyone in. I mean, GU sells. Nice, Bill. We'll take a look. We shall take a look. All right, let me share my screen with you guys. Boom. There we go. You guys should be able to see this all good now. We got GJ dropping a little bit, but not too much. Let me quit this. Let me get everyone in the Zoom. Yeah, GJ dropping. GJ is dropping. Look at that. GJ rejected 162. Very, very key level. Dropping pretty hard. Yes, Ron. I have taken one trade this week, and that was a 9 pip loss on gold. Other than that, I haven't taken anything. Yesterday we had CPI, so I didn't take anything at all. I didn't trade after it because it was too late for me. But no, that's the only position I've taken this week, man. So hopefully today we can take some bangers. Today's looking good. Now we've got that CPI out of the way. Here he is.
Yo, what's happening, fella? You alright?
How's it going? Let me share my screen.
I'm just reading what the CPI of the pound now.
Yeah, I just saw that. Share screen. Trading view. Boom. There we go. Why the quality looks so good now? Have you changed something? Looks really good. No, I haven't really changed anything, man. I'm in a new place, new office, so I got just a different background. But no, I haven't changed anything. But I appreciate you saying it looks good, man. I'm gonna get it better though. I'm gonna get lots of like lights and all that cool shit behind me as well. Lewis in the building? No, Lewis is not in the building. We got Alad, who was just talking on mic, in the building. Lewis is still fast asleep, Terry. You should know that. Lewis is too lazy. Never expect anything. Closed 48 pips. Beautiful. Pedro, I do not speak Spanish, man. I thought I already answered that. I don't speak Spanish, bro. Jimmy joining.
I'd like to know. I'd like to learn Spanish.
Yeah, well, yeah, I'd like to learn Spanish. Pedro, if you want to give us Spanish lessons for some Forex tips, sir.
Yes.
CPI blew my account. Why were you risking your account on CPI on one trade? Why would you risk your entire account on CPI? That's silly.
Did CPI blow it, or
Yeah,
you blew it?
no, that's a good point. Did CPI blow your account or did you blow your account? Because that's what it's all about. Taking responsibility for your own actions. If you took the trade, then unfortunately you blew your account. But hey, shit happens. Shit happens. This is why you don't trade CPI. CPI is gambling. We're not gamblers, we're traders.
This is why you go and do this in CPI news.
Yeah.
Do that. Oh, they can't.
No, no, I can though.
Yeah. Go play golf.
Yeah, Alex said when there's CPI, you go play golf. You go on the golf course, you don't check the charts. You let CPI play out, you come back the next day ready to go. Fresh account, fresh mindset, ready.
Yeah. Yeah. Swing your freedom.
Swing your freedom, absolutely. Absolutely. GJ had a nice drop in Asia.
Yeah.
Look at that. Boom. Grab the highs. Very, very nice.
Did you hold your GJ from yesterday?
No, man, no. I got stopped at break even. I secured some and then literally here took me at break even.
Yeah.
Was it here? Yeah. No, sorry. Was it here? Here. Literally just tapped me at
Yeah,
break even
yeah.
after grabbing these highs. I secured like 20 pips and then boom.
I'm quite lucky, mate, because it stayed, you know, like around, like that was my target sort of thing.
Yeah.
And it's still this, it looks like a wick now, but it actually stayed there for a time that allowed me to take profit at my
Yeah.
first target.
Did you get a partial as well?
Because I could have just. You what, sorry?
Did you get a partial?
Yeah. So yeah, it was off that level.
Very nice. I mean, like, oh yeah, did you hold your story? I mean,
No. It's my runner hit break even, but holy cow, 145 pips.
145 pips. Hey,
To them.
145 pips is 145 pips. Steve, my man, joining again. What's going on, Steve? Good to have you here, man. Good to have you here. Easy 100 pip move. Yes, sir. Right, where's my... Okay. What are the days where you never trade? I'll never trade when there's high impact news. I mean, it depends. Yeah, job reports as well. But I mean, you know, CPI was big, had some big moves, but nothing crazy, to be honest. Nothing like we've seen in the past. And we did get almost a 300 pips spike, but nothing crazy. We just wicked out the highs, then wicked out the lows, and then came back in the range, and then dropped in Asia.
Yo, Jimmy.
What's going on, Jimmy? What's going on, man? Let's see. What do we want to see today? Let's start working our way down. I think on the daily, GJ could go higher. We got lots of levels on here. Let's just clean this up a bit.
Cool. Just on the 30 minute.
1585. Delete that off. Delete that off. Yeah, I think if GJ goes lower, we are gonna grab this high. If we're gonna have a big swing down, I think we grab that high. So I think we go higher today.
Yeah, just a little bit. You know, there's a yellow brick road there.
There's a very nice. As soon as we break this resistance, yeah, we could have a big move. Just taking out yesterday's taking out yesterday's low. Got yesterday's low down here. But I don't think we need to come all that way down. We're just grabbing these current 4-hour lows on GJ.
No.
Grabbing these lows, wicking these out at the minute. Morning, man. Missed that GJ move. I've not taken it. I haven't missed it, but I haven't taken it yet. No missed trade just yet. Gold is taking out these lows and starting to reject, so it's going to be interesting to see how gold goes.
Tough looking one.
Yeah, it has. Yeah, I want to see potentially how GJ reacts. Maybe here. Are we going to wick that out and go higher, or are we just going to break? I forgot to charge the laptop. Oh man, get it charged. McDeegs, get it charged. We've got to make that bank today. We've got to make that bank. No, I can't hear it, man. All good. Cracking open a cold one. I'm in the new house. We better make some bank today. We better make some bank.
All settled in? Or?
No, not really. I mean, yeah, settled-ish, but I still got shit everywhere. I haven't even got Wi-Fi set up yet. I'm going to go get Wi-Fi sorted on Friday.
Are you still on the phone?
Yeah, Wi-Fi sorted on Friday.
Not that bad.
No, 4G's actually it's been fine so far. Getting the office set up. We got the screen here now. We got the stand-up desk. We got the gaming chair. It's all going off. It's all going off.
These screens about 8.
What's that, sorry?
How many screens you got? 8?
9. I wish.
Oh, 9. Oh. Yeah, I was close. But I see it on Instagram and you've got like 6 to 8 screens. I'm like, holy shit, how can you see all that?
Yeah, I know. It's pretty unnecessary. Let me put this fan on. It's fucking hot.
It's easier.
Did anyone take any trades post CPI yesterday? Did you guys just kind of monitor or not even watch?
I didn't even watch.
Nah, fair enough. Fair
I didn't even bother. Like, how would you catch anything like on gold, for example? Like, even this news this morning on, like, the pound, you know, like, if you go down, like, even to the like, 5 or the 15 minute, there was, like, for me, there was no, oh, he lost 22k.
I watched Roger Banks lose 22k.
Is losing 22k.
Damn.
I would rather lose nothing and be on a golf course.
Yeah, fuck that. Lose 22k. Holy shit! I thought he had a winning trade. I thought he posted on his Instagram that he had a winning trade. Maybe not. Shit.
Like, the only thing I'm losing on the golf course is golf balls or my temper.
Exactly. Whereas if you were watching CPI, you would lose your temper. You lose money. You lose your psychology. So you just go
would be out the window.
Yeah. You'd lose the laptop out the window. You'd lose everything.
Lose that.
You'd take it out on your girlfriend on Valentine's Day, so you'd lose your girlfriend. So just go play golf. Go play golf on CPI.
Exactly. Yeah. Do that.
If GJ can pull back up, I will short into this low. No, man, we didn't. We just stayed at home, made some little homemade pizzas, which was nice. That was about it. We're going out for dinner on the weekend. I suppose I'm paying for that. Mug over here is paying for that, I guess. Did you do much?
At the top. I came up here, came to our house, just had like an Indian takeaway and a bottle of wine, chilled.
Very nice. Very nice.
Because everything is so expensive on Valentine's and it's just unnecessary.
Yeah, people make such a big deal out of it. I would just rather do something on a different night. Like, I don't like doing something just because it's Valentine's Day. It's like, I don't know, just go do something nice on any other night.
No. Exactly. 100%.
Waited patiently after CPI, but didn't see the gold sell. Yeah, gold. Look at that. We had these highs drawn out in the community. I didn't take this, but we had this high drawn out. We had this high drawn out. Literally wicked down, created this liquidity down here. Look at that. Created a triple bottom here, and then ripped the highs, and then came all the way back down and ripped the lows. And then again in the Asia session, we had this high, came up, grabbed this high, boom, straight back down to then grab the lows. Grab the highs, grab the lows, grab the highs, grab the lows. Okay. I'm back. Sorry guys, I just had to switch phone. That phone went, so I just switched the other one. We may just have to keep switching through today.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's annoying, but I have Wi-Fi. GJ can pull back up. Yeah, we'll do. I mean, you get Vodafone here. That's who I've got my phone with, but Wi-Fi providers are different, yeah. Here we go, little double top there on gold.
GJ at the moment is the clean button for me.
Yeah, I think so.
If gold continues down further, where is it actually going?
Yeah. Yeah, well now we've grabbed these lows on gold. We grabbed the lows, tried to break back above, we couldn't. Grab the lows one more time, and now we're getting a solid push. So, depending on this next 15 and 30 minute close, gold could get interesting down here. You can't see my screen? Ah, shit.
Oh, no.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, depending. Look, because we're, we've just taken out these lows, rejected it once, rejected it again. So we're still respecting the support after just taking it out. So it could be a nice little play here. To at least come up and grab this high and potentially come back up and grab these highs here. We take on a nice fib like this on gold. Maybe come back up 38, 50 before going back down. So if we get a nice strong close on here, we could look for something on gold. I'm phone trading today. I'm not risking streaming, MT4 parallels. We're phone trading today.
Yeah, oh, time risk it for a biscuit.
Risk it for a biscuit. As soon as if we break this resistance, we can look for something. The lag.
Oh.
Sorry, Terry, I can't help it, man.
Now you mean?
I can't help it. It's annoying. I mean, it's not lagging for me, but it's annoying. It's lagging for you guys.
Yeah.
Can't help it. It'll be sorted by Friday. It will be sorted. Yeah, how long we got to this close? 2 more minutes. So we'll get this 5-minute close and we'll get this 30-minute close. And then we can look for a nice little juicy
That's
one.
really tough there now.
Yeah, that was nice little head and shoulders there. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder.
Somebody's awake. Awake and lonely.
Yeah, that was a nice little. If you were a crazy mofo to take that little head and shoulders. Look at that. Shoulder, boom. Head grabs the lows, come back up. Right shoulder, boom. Ooh, look at that. Failing to break that resistance right at the last few minutes of this 5-minute. Just grabbing this high here. So no longs just yet. No longs just yet. What's GJ up to? GJ needs to pull back.
What's this that strong? GULB.
Okay, even just to come back up to these levels, okay, you got a nice 50 pips potential.
Very nice, yeah.
Yeah, boy. Can make that bread. Make that bread. Oh, like that.
We did.
There we did, yeah, we heard that. Alright, get him off the stream.
Squeaky chair. Get him up.
Alright, 30 seconds till this close.
What's on the cup? Yeah.
30 seconds.
There's no Cade. There's no Tim.
Yeah, where the fuck's Cade?
There's no Lewis.
Let me message Cade. Where the hell are
There's
you?
no Doghead. Is Doghead here?
No, Doghead hasn't been on the last few.
30-minute and golden minute.
Yeah, it's looking like it's going to reject, so no longs just yet. Didn't break that resistance. GJ could go up and give us a short entry. Yeah, man, we could get a nice short entry if GJ could pull up. Pull up and we go short. Just had that 30-minute close. Oh, it's the 45-minute.
And the GJ.
Yeah.
It's a big candle there.
I think if we get the short, we at least come down and grab this low. So
Yeah. Like, how much of a stop loss would it be coming up there, see? And is it worth the risk?
yeah, risk to reward has to make
If it pops
sense.
up to here,
Yeah. Oh shit! Just change it. Let me go back. Let me go back. Let me go back. Here.
yeah, as well. Like if it pulls back to there,
Yeah.
or kind of
Yes,
like that,
right.
lovely.
Yeah. Huh?
And how many pauses?
Look at this. We could come fill in a lot of this as well.
As well.
Boom. Boom. No volume, bro. Yes, if there's no volume, no trade. But we're starting to see some nice volume this morning. We get some nice pullbacks. We'll go short on GJ. Get a nice juicy short. Nice juicy short. Oh, no volume on the chart. So I think no volume on the stream. I thought you meant no volume on GJ. Yeah, volume should be good on the stream. Yeah, volume should be all good on the stream. Look at that. Gold failed to break the highs. Put in the market chat for GJ. No, Jimmy, let me take a look. Let me take a look, man. Let me take a look. Yeah, nice, Jimmy. Same. Very, very nice. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Look at that gold going lower now. Yeah, Jimmy, I'd like to see the same. If we can pull, I don't think we'll pull back up this high. I think we may just come back and, I don't know, maybe just grab this little 5-minute wick here. Sorry, grab this little 5-minute wick here. Retest just, you know, maybe somewhere. Yeah, we've got a lot of liquidity here. Somewhere in here, look at all these broken levels, lots of liquidity here, so we could potentially, you know, we're having this quick rejection down. We come up, grab this wick, retest this level, and then we could be shorting back down. That's what I'd like. So, hey, what's that?
It's actually quite clean. It's actually alright coming down there on the left.
Yeah, if you look on the hourly, it's even nicer.
On a bad path.
It's nice, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
So yeah, if we get nice short entry.
160, it broke, didn't tap.
Goldie going lower. The lower gold goes, the nicer a pullback we'll get to go short. Waiting game. Can't do anything on gold just yet. Nothing on gold yet. GJ, yeah, GJ needs to come back up. We'll watch GJ for now. Gold was looking nicer, but now that we failed to break and close above these highs, we need to see a little bit more.
Yeah.
YouTube's not steering enough video maintains viewers experience buffering. Well, I can't help that, YouTube. What else we got today? We got more big news this week as well, I believe.
Yeah, it's got a bit.
Yeah, we got retail sales today in the US. But that shouldn't be too big. And then we got AUD employment rate. You got core PPI on Thursday, RBA on Thursday, and then that's about it. So yeah, it's a very, very busy week. Very, very busy week.
As long as it gives us
So look at
decent price action, I don't care. And this price action has just been
oil not doing too much. Wrong one. Yeah, nice. Look at Nas wicking the highs, wicking the lows, back in the range. Let's clean up some of these levels now. Yeah, Nas looking like it could go higher. Had a nice breakout. Look at that breakout, retest, boom. Nice breakout on Nas. But nothing yet. Gold going lower, GJ going lower. We gotta wait. Only place for me to short gold today was Asia. Asia with the banger again. Look at that. 200 pipperoonies.
I'm not getting that.
200 pipperoonies.
To be fair, when I start in my new place of work, I could actually be up for Asia.
Oh, really? Oh, look at that. Gold going for it.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Where's that coming from?
Going for it. Look at that. That's a... That's nearly 100 pip candle already. Holy. DAX could be a buy, 50 points. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. DAX. Look at that. DAX double bottom. Grab the lows. Breaking above. Yeah, DAX could be a nice play. Got a nice gap there as well. Potentially to come and fill. You've got the double bottom that's been liquidated. You've now broken these highs here. Could be coming back down. Retesting these levels to potentially go higher. Yeah, it's not a bad little play on DAX. I would personally wait for, you know, some... Oh, shit. I'd wait for it to start to flip bullish and take something like that and then look for that nice play. Chase for Euro New Zealand. Oh, shit. Yeah, I wouldn't do anything right now. Nothing. It's just breaking all of these levels. I'd only go long once you come back down and retest, and then you could potentially run up into the highs. Because if you go long now, you got nowhere to put your stop loss. Well, your stop loss is going to go all the way down here. So, yeah. And until it pulls back down, then that's when you get the setup. You get the nice risk to reward, you get the liquidity grabs, then you play the liquidity grab, and then you go for it. But if you just long now, you're just longing into, like, there's no real entry right now. Personally, but Paul, yeah, that DAX looks that DAX setup's looking pretty nice. You could put a little buy in there. Your stops above this current low. You get a nice first TP up here. What would that be? Potential 40. Come up to these highs. 50, 80. So yeah, that's a good spot, Paul. Good spot, man. A good spot. Gold. GN. Oh, why does it keep doing that? Why the fuck does it keep doing that? GN. Yeah, I mean, no real liquidity grabs on GN. GN looks a bit messy to me. Look at that Owly. Owly's very, very messy. When the fuck is that from? Jesus. Yeah, this to me doesn't look nice. Yeah, fuck that. I personally wouldn't touch GN at all until we break out this. Like this price action is even on intraday. I wouldn't even look at intraday. When I see the daily like this, I'm like, yeah, I'm not even touching that. I wouldn't touch GN until you get the daily breakout. It's not worth the risk. It's very, very messy. Very, very messy. GN on the dailies.
I wouldn't
Gross.
touch New Zealand, to be honest.
Nah, it's well too risky. Thoughts on EJ for our big level of resistance? Let's have a look, man. Yeah, it's true. We don't know what's going on. 1 minute we're in a state of emergency, and then things are starting to clear up. Flights are going again. So yeah, it's just way too risky.
Yeah. We noticed There's loads of alien sightings.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Have you seen it online?
Yeah, I've seen it everywhere.
Loads of it.
What are you looking for, Mikey? What are you looking to take? And we can take a look. Or if you have a chart, Mikey, feel free to send it over, and I'll pop up. Short? I wouldn't go short. There's no liquidity grab. You've got a double top sitting up there. I think most retailers are trying to go short right now. Most retailers will be trying to short here. Stops above the double top. Looking for this big play back down. If anything, I'd be looking for longs. You know, you got this 4-hour rejection, but you also got rejecting the lows after breaking out of this resistance right here. Broken, retesting, GN could go higher. EJ go higher. You got some. Let's get some. Where are they? Get some money bags above there. You got some money sitting above there. Look at that. Some money sitting above there on EJ.
I love the emojis. They're great.
Yeah, I need to start using them more.
Whoever invented emojis is a legend.
But Mikey, no, I wouldn't.
GIFs. I love a GIF.
Yeah, we love a good GIF in the community. The GIFs are our favourite. GIF, however the fuck you say it.
Oh, are they called GIFs?
I don't know. What's it?
I
Is it?
always call them GIFs.
I don't know what to call it. GIF, GIF.
GIFs.
YouTube fam, do we call it GIFs, GIF? I don't know. Gold. I think we're probably going to wait for this, wait for the next 15 minutes, but we'll probably wait for the next hourly to open. Wait for that London open again. Kind of what we've been waiting for all week. Once we get this hourly, then we could potentially see something. Just get GJ back on. EU in place. Nice, Chris. What are you in, man? What are you in? What are you in? I can't even fucking spell it. Jesus Christ. Hello from New Zealand. Hey, how's it going, man? Good to have a Kiwi in here. We got two Jameses watching, both from New Zealand. Maybe you guys are related or something. I don't know. Yeah, pronounce GIF, I believe. Okay, there you go. GIF. So you were right, Alice, I was wrong.
GIF, I don't know what the fuck I've been saying, to be honest. I always say things wrong. What's the other thing I've been saying wrong since I've joined the community?
Indices.
What was that thing?
Or psychology.
Indices. What's the psychology? Yeah. What have I been saying? Physiology.
Physiology.
Sick.
The book Physiology of
I'm
Money.
reading all these books and I can't even read.
Hey, I'm from New Zealand, from Nelson. Hey, nice. Hey, nice. We've got some New Zealand people out here watching. Good to have you guys here. Hope you guys are all safe in New Zealand as well. I've seen the crazy weather that you guys have got there. You guys have had it pretty unlucky recently. James here from the UK. Hey, appreciate you tuning in, man. Good to have you here. We got Woo in the chat joining. We got UK. We got New Zealand. We got everyone in the building. Fundamentals today. We've already had CPI this morning, which we're just letting GJ digest for now. Then we have more USD news later on, but I still think we could get a nice little London play. I'm just waiting for GJ to potentially pull back up so I can short into this one, potentially to come and grab this liquidity down here before then potentially going higher. Aaron, how would you have traded EU yesterday? Do you mean during CPI or after CPI? How do you mean? If you were asking how, I wouldn't have traded it at all. But prior to this news, you'd mark on your levels of liquidity where we could grab. You'd mark on some highs. You'd mark on some lows, and whichever one gets taken first, that's the trade you take. So you got that resistance. Price grabs the high, straight back down. Exactly the same thing on gold that I was just mentioning. These are the levels that we already had marked out on gold. Gold grabbed the high, and then we had like a triple bottom sitting down here as well. So grab the high, grab the lows. Again, we got a high, grabs the highs, grabs the lows. So that's, if I was going to trade it, that's how I would trade it. I would just draw my highs and lows, see which one of interest gets grabbed first, and then that's the one you trade. If you do even want to trade it. I personally wouldn't have even traded it. But if you were a crazy mofo, you could have sold right as we took that high. And then bam, instant 250 pip rudies, which is huge. Exactly the same thing. Look at this. Before this big drop, what do? We come and grab the highs. Everyone goes short there. They put their stops above there. Price goes a little bit into their favor. Then bam, everyone gets stopped out. Boom. Huge move. Exactly the same here. Come up. We start to reject. Everyone goes short. Stops above there. Grabs the liquidity. Straight back down. Been any other GB islands apart from Jersey? I have been to Sark, if you know where Sark is. I've not been to, well, I pulled into Guernsey, but I've not properly been into Guernsey. And that's about it, man. Not really. Not many. Donkeys. That's right, Jimmy. You tell him. Alright, what's GJ doing? GJ pulling back up. Let's go back to the 15. How did we have that 15 doji? As GJ comes and grabs this little wick here, we'll look for price action for this to potentially roll over. So we just wicked out this previous low as well. Now we're starting to have that push up. So we're just taking the lows. We'll come and grab the highs. Then we could come and take these lows down here. But the hourly, you know, without even going onto the hourly, you have to be able to picture what it's looking like. And if we're having this strong push up now, I already know this is a nice wick on this hourly. So we go into the hourly and we can see that it's starting to leave a nice wick. Look at that. Nice wick. I do think we'll take it out one more time, potentially come and grab this low here. But you got to keep in mind how this hourly is going, you know, especially when you're on the lower time frame looking for intraday setups. Don't neglect what the picture is looking at the higher time frames. London session today, we've already had some GBP CPI news. We just need to wait for a little bit more. So we'll probably we'll see how this hourly starts to form. We'll watch the 15 and then we'll potentially look for some snipes. Look for some snipes. Look at some snipes. Yeah, I think GJ's got to come and grab this high here. So we could even today, it may be in London, quick intraday shorts, and then into the US. I think we'll come and grab this high here before them potentially rolling back over. So you may just get a little quick retest, grab these highs, and then you got potential to come all the way down here. Look at this. Lots of levels to come and grab on GJ. Big levels. And notice how on the weekly, this current weekly hasn't created a bottom wick yet. See, we haven't created this bottom wick yet. So how often on the weekly time frame on GJ do we create no bottom wick? So even there we had a little one. That's probably the last time. That was in September 2020. And then all the way there back in April 2022. So this weekly is going to be very interesting on GJ. But I do think we come and grab this high.
And it'd be nice to be involved.
Yeah, it's a waiting game now. A waiting game. How's that DAX play looking? That Paul was watching. Oh, not triggered just yet. Still holding that resistance nicely though. Highs went lower. Oh yes, US. EU just tested the highs. Yeah, EU just grabbed a lot of lows. Look at that. Grabbed a lot of lows. Grabbed that low there. Grabbed that low there that everyone would be trying to buy off. People trying to long here. Stops down here. Just been taken. Strong push up. EU to me looks like it goes higher. If you were crazy, you could potentially look for little long setups, but I don't personally intraday EU, so I'm not going to trade EU. I'd rather trade gold. I would trade Goldie. Wait for London Open with the DAX. Yeah, Terry, I'll wait for the London Open now. Wait for London Open, see how this hourly goes, see how this next 15-minute closes, and then we'll go from there. But YouTube fam, remember, drop a little like for the stream. Feel free to ask any questions whilst we wait as well. Ask any trading questions whilst we wait for a position. And then when it comes, boom, we're ready to go. Look at your modern villa with amazing sea view. GJ 16135. 16135. Yeah, I'm watching this high to be grabbed on GJ for potential shorts. Come and grab this, and then I'll look for shorts. Only once we grab this previous 5-minute will I look for shorts. I grab the highs, dropped, need to come and grab some highs, and then drop again.
EA boomed in Asia. And the hourly.
EA. EA. Whoa, look at that. Booming. Did we rip the lows? Yeah, we did. Take the lows, booming. Now taking the highs. Look at that. Grab the high, go lower. Take the lows, go higher.
On the hourly, there's a nice range. And it broke out of it on the low to then rip back inside and go higher.
Yeah. Solid.
Yeah.
Solid. Incredible push. Look at that. Look at that. Break below, get the fake retest, break back above. That's the fake out confirmed. Do you go along there? You put your stops below there. Oof. Now you're talking. Stops below the liquidity grab.
Thank you.
Oh.
Very much.
That's a 1 to 12. 1 to 12 in the Asian session. Holy. Yeah, that is disgusting. How long we got?
I'll be
5
okay with
minutes.
that.
5 minutes.
If the GJ could, the hourly candle could close with a little bit of a bottom wick, that would be very nice.
Yeah. Let's remove these alerts.
Yeah.
Check gold. Nothing on gold yet. Oh. No. Yeah, DXY is still range on the daily. Let's take a look. I was looking at this yesterday. What are we looking at? We were looking at this on the 4 hour. So it's gone on the daily. Yeah, this is why the markets are very, very choppy so far this week. Look at the DXY. It's just in a range. This is since Tuesday last week. DXY is just in this range. But you want to draw your range, draw the highs of the lows. We've just grabbed the lows. Maybe now we're coming for the highs. But yeah, that's the reason the markets have been very, very quiet so far this week. But look at this. The weekly had this support level here with this low. Support, wicked out the lows, strong push up. So for me, the DXY goes higher. This level right here is a very, very key level. Look at this. Look at this. Lots and lots. Look at that. Fake out, break below, retest, boom. Support, wicked out the lows, boom, pushing back up. So yeah, to me the DXY looks like it goes higher, but you can see how choppy it is. That's why I'm trading much more aggressive at the minute and trading much more in and out positions. I'm not holding on to big positions for too long.
In and out.
Yeah. So I need pullbacks on gold to short. Look at that, GJ. This is the last 15 minute of this hourly, so this next 15 is going to be interesting. I'll be pre-New York and New York Open trading today. I didn't trade it yesterday, so I'm going to trade it today. You mean?
I didn't. No, I didn't.
I didn't do anything yesterday. Last night I didn't look at the charts. Didn't get FOMO.
No. Actually played well again yesterday.
It was very good. Very, very nice.
Yeah, it was a little bit soft underfoot. Still on mats, unfortunately. But my mate, I played with my mate. I thought he might be watching YouTube actually.
Me?
I told him to watch this morning.
You're watching me?
Yeah, I told him. We just spoke about loads of things, and
Nice.
I spoke about you, and I said I'll just watch the stream to see what you think.
Nice.
Well, you might, I don't. Stuart, are you watching?
Stuart, you in there? We're calling you out.
Wednesday?
Where you at, Stuart?
You probably know when he's in the building. He just chops to me and give me so much shit.
Look at that. DAX didn't trigger. DAX didn't break the high, so no trade. If Paul, you're looking at the DAX, like we said, don't take the retest like this. Wait for the break, and then you go no break, no trade. Gold's just going lower for now. GJ not doing anything. London is open in 2 minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
See how it goes.
Yeah, see how we open. See how we open. If we get some nice volume. As soon as we get this hourly close as well, we'll start going down to the 5 minute.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Go to the 1 minute. Let's go scalp the 1 minute.
Oh, dear Lord. I haven't been on that for a long time.
No, neither. I don't like the 1 minute. The 1 minute scares me.
Nothing is confirmed on the 1 minute. There's so many double tops, double bottoms, and it's just like, look, if you catch anything on the 1 minute.
Look at that, GJ pushing lower,
That's
strong
me.
5 minute.
Broke lower first.
Zoe, what do I think about Euro Swiss franc? Zoe, you can join the Zoom link as well. You'll be able to chat to us quicker as well. I'll take a look. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. We are open. We are open. Oh, look at that. DAX ripping. DAX about to rip. Let's see this. Let's see this hourly. Oh, big hourly wick on DAX though. I personally wouldn't long DAX. Strong breakthrough support on gold. So now we need gold to pull back to go short. Same with GJ. We need to pull back to go short.
Yeah, don't break that wick now, GJ. And how's it?
Yeah.
Screw you.
DAX, sir. Terry DAX. We're not touching DAX. Hourly was very. Look at that hourly on DAX. We just wicked the highs. No longs. No longs. Hey, Zoe's joining the Zoom. No touching DAX. No. If the hourly had closed strong, then we would consider that long on DAX. But because the hourly closed bearish, we're not long on DAX. DAX looks to me like it goes lower. Oh, look at that. GJ just wicked out this low. Aggressive push back up. Look at that. GJ's just still. GJ's stuck between here and here. GJ is in a 15 pip range. I'm not touching GJ right now. From India here. Hey, good to have you here, man. Good to have you here.
Nobody's from Wales, I'm on my own.
Yeah, no one's from Wales, man, unfortunately. Anyone from Wales watching on YouTube? Join an Alad.
Does anyone know where Wales is?
Does anyone know where Wales is? Alad's asking. That place with loads of sheep. More sheep than people? I think in New Zealand there's more sheep than people. I might have just made that up, but I think that's true.
I think we have, no, I think they're the same, I think.
James, is that true? Is there more sheep than people in New Zealand? I think it's true. I don't think I made that up. Yes. Easy, yeah. James has confirmed there's more sheep than people in New Zealand. Yes, Wales. Hey, Alad, you got a Wales friend. You got Chris from Wales.
Yeah.
Yeah. Steve, Bristol, same thing.
Chris, bye.
No one from Wales, Terry just said. We got Liverpool in the building.
Actually, there is 3 sheep to every person in Wales.
3 sheep to every person. That's fucking crazy. Are indices cleaner to trade in your opinion right now? Well, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the only indice that I do trade, and that's NASDAQ. Let's see. Not really, to be honest. I mean, like, overall, no. At the minute, no. For me, at the minute, gold has been beautiful. I traded NAS a lot towards the end of last year. But no, like look at this right now. Even this, like you can catch little moves within this region. Don't get me wrong, but no, it's not any cleaner right now. I don't think so. But if you find it cleaner, then that's great. But no, in my opinion, it's not any cleaner right now. To be honest. Which phone? Maybe I get some tunes on here. Also, wait. Look at that. Look at that. Waking out the lows. Rugby. Yes. Rugby. Even more sheep at the minute. It's lambing time. Is it lambing time, Alad? Chris, it's lambing time.
Yeah. Yeah, it is, yeah.
Well, maybe there's 4 to every person now instead or something.
Like little... Oh, yeah, possibly.
Terry, let's
take a look. In New Zealand.
Yeah, see how many sheep people are in New Zealand. I feel like there's more in Wales. Yeah.
There's a drought in New Zealand.
Of sheep? Or just in general?
Yeah, in New Zealand. Drought causes fall in sheep numbers in New Zealand.
Oh.
Yeah.
Terry, no. Dax, no. Not unless you get a candle closure. This candle hasn't closed yet. This candle here hasn't closed, so what you're seeing right now is nothing. Unless you get the closure above that level, then you can consider longs, but you haven't had a closure yet. So only once you get that closure could you consider it. But this is pushing pretty aggressive. I don't trade the DAX. This is Paul that was looking at.
Big move forward, push.
Yeah, it's NAS. Let's have a look at that. The only one I will trade is NAS.
You win. New Zealand wins.
How many has New Zealand got?
So for every person in New Zealand, there is 5.1 sheep.
Oh. Fuck yeah, that's a lot of sheep.
Yeah. So there's 5 sheep and a lamb or a leg to every person.
More horses than people on Easter Island? What's Easter Island? I don't know. Let me see. Easter Island.
I thought Easter Island was on a movie.
Hey, what the hell? That's crazy. Look at them statues. I've never seen Easter Island before. That's crazy.
Easter Island.
Easter Island, yeah, what the fuck?
Where is it?
It's in
Chile.
Yeah, Chile, yeah.
Ah, I know. I was watching a documentary about that.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Those statues, they go like stupid amount into the ground.
I just saw a picture of that. I didn't know if it was real or not.
Those statues, the heads in the ground.
Is it real? Yeah.
They've got bodies. They're in the ground.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, and they're on about. I won't bore you to, but I actually watched. And it's so interesting. But it's about aliens.
Earth is about to get invaded with aliens soon.
Yeah, well, and there's other statues in somewhere in like the Fiji, Tonga, and like the South Sea Isles, and they face each other. They're looking at the directional course of each other.
Really? That's pretty crazy.
Yeah. Okay.
That's pretty wild. Ding. Can you buy gold? Nope, not yet. Don't buy gold. Gold is breaking out. We want to short gold. Have you been to South Africa? No, I have never been to South Africa though. I would like to visit South Africa at some point, but no, I've never been, man. Never ever. I wouldn't mind visiting South Africa though. Yeah, South Africa would be a pretty cool place to check out. I feel like Christian, isn't I feel like trading's pretty big in South Africa. I see a lot of South African traders come up on Instagram quite a lot. I feel like it's pretty big there. Nick, hello from Australia. Whereabouts in Australia from, Nick? Hello from Australia as well. I'm sweating in this Australian heat right now. Sweating my tits off. It's absolutely roasting.
That's yeah. Can I put you on mute? I can't, can I?
No, you cannot put me on mute. No. I can put you on mute though, but you can't put me on mute.
Whoa.
A lot of traders, yeah, I thought so, man. I thought so. I think it was not, but I always just see people on Instagram come up. I saw my internet out. Hey man, I'm on 4G. I'm on 4G till I get Wi-Fi at my new place. Allow it. Let me be. From Sydney. Nice, Nick. Nice. I want to visit Sydney this year. Yeah, I want to visit Sydney this year. Hello from South Africa. Hey, we got another South African in the house already. Look at that. Euro pound heading for some highs. Are we now? Are we now? I don't like this pair, but let's take a look. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice. We had to grab that high, yeah, strong. You grabbed the then ripped higher as well, so you got to take it from both sides. Oh shit! Some lows, grab the lows, Tried to break back above, failed to break back above, retest, booming. But I don't like to trade this pair. This pair's very, very choppy. I rarely trade this pair. It's just very, very choppy. But yeah, it's pushing strong. Off the back of that weak pound. So where's my chart's gone now? US100 gold. GJ. If my internet's getting worse, I might have to switch phones.
Oh. Oh.
Is the old boy?
I had a few South Africans in the community, didn't we?
We had one, yeah. We did,
One.
yeah.
I thought it was a few.
Now I'm in Australia, but born in South Africa. Hey, nice. Nice.
What is GG doing? Is he going to pull back?
Yeah, do something, GJ. Do something.
Double bottom on 5 minutes.
To restart the live, yeah, possibly. Oh yeah, it's fucking well, but I'm watching the YouTube on my phone. It's terrible.
In like a couple of minutes anyway, if you're entering trade, so it doesn't really matter that much.
Yeah, if it stays this bad on YouTube, guys, I may update in the Telegram. So, oh, no, it's better now. That's better now. I don't know. We'll see. We'll stay on for a little bit longer. Let me see. Would I short GJ if it goes below 161018? No, I won't short GJ until we grab this 5 minute high. If we grab this 5 minute high, then I'll short. But no, look at that strong bearish pushback down, doji. After grabbing this low here, because if I was short in GJ, this would be my target, because this is the level where we could grab these lows and then potentially go higher. So this is where we want to watch GJ. DAX, Terry, I'm not trading the DAX. Let me see. I don't trade it though. Yeah, nothing really. Doji. It's messy. I wouldn't touch DAX. Wicked out the lows, wicking out the highs. I wouldn't look at the DAX. It's messy, man. It's messy. You want high quality setups, and that's not one. Shorted GJ last night below. Yes, I had that key level on as well. Where's it gone? Basically, yeah, 162. Look at that. Very, very nice trade. Respected 162 to perfection. Look at that. You tap into it. Initial reaction, looking like a huge hourly, and then boom, straight back up. Rejects it. Bam. Retest. Boom. Down. Lovely. Great trade, man. Very, very good trade. YouTube fam, are we still lagging, or is it better now? Let me know. Textbook recruiter have gold shorts Asia last night. Yes, Richard, it was a lovely one. This one here, banging, man. Bloody beautiful. As soon as you get that 15-minute close, you're gonna go on short here. Stops above the liquidity gap. Booming. Asia giving that bank. Very, very nice. But I don't see gold giving anything anytime soon. Better Good, Terry. Thank you for letting me know,
Yeah.
man. Thank you for letting me
Yeah,
know.
no problem.
I wouldn't short gold to be pulled back up to these levels, and I wouldn't short GJ to be come up here. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Ask over some questions whilst we wait as well, because remember, like we saw on Friday, we could be waiting here looking like we're doing nothing, and all of a sudden, bam, a trade comes out of nowhere. So we need to be on the ball, but ask some questions in the meantime, and we can answer them, share some trading psychology, tips, travel, whatever you guys want. I'm watching the stream at 144p. It helps the lag, but it still lags. Yeah, sorry, man. First time today, no need to apologize, man. No, I did not learn from ICT, no. Have we gone again? Oh, man. My 4G, I don't have my 4G, so shit, it's usually good. I only got one signal. I'm literally like right next to the motherfucker. YouTube is working fine. Okay, cool. No, I did not learn from ICT. I think ICT is a good dude, but it's way too much analysis. I just trade very simple, you know, double tops, double bottoms, wait for them to get grabbed, and then trade it. But no, I've been trading this liquidity like this for a very, very long time. What pairs am I looking at, Terry? I'm just watching gold and GJ for now, man. From intraday, just gold and GJ. When I'm swinging, I'm watching all of these. But when I'm intraday trading, just gold and GJ. Maybe NAS sometimes as well, depending on the session we're in as well. GJ, the only FX pay trade? Yeah, for intraday trading, yes. For swing trading, no. I will watch all of these for swing trading, but for intraday trading, yeah, man, I'll just watch GJ. Sometimes I'll watch EJ as well, because it can give good, better setups. But yeah, that's the only one. For your trading setup video, do you have a short list of pairs to use on? Favorite pairs? Yeah, Ron, my favorite pairs, like I said, are gold and GJ, but you can trade it on any other pairs. Loads of pairs it works. Liquidity grabs, like this, we grab the highs and then go lower, grab the highs, go lower, or take the lows and go higher, happen on every single pair. Every single pair, man. When are you going to do a side hustle and become a meter maid on the Gold Coast? I don't even know what a meter maid is. Yeah, maybe when I retire from trading, I'll become a meter maid. I don't know. Is a meter maid someone that goes around checking car meters? Is that what it is? I don't know what a meter maid is. But yeah, maybe once we retire from trading, I'll become a meter maid in the Gold Coast. Your YouTube travel videos are quite good. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it. I love making the travel trading videos. They're my favorite. I'm going to be doing more of them this year. Me and the community, we're going to Thailand in April. So I'll be doing lots of content in Thailand. Get some more travel videos. I'll try and do a YouTube vlog of the new house that I've just moved into. The new office setup when it's all done. I'll share that with you guys soon as well. Gonna rejoin you on Friday. Hey, take it easy, Ron. I'll probably wrap up soon anyway, just because of this lag. The lowest time frame I'll take an entry on is the 5 minutes. Sometimes the 1 minute, but very rarely, man. Very, very rarely. It's mainly the 5 minute. 5 minutes, my favorite.
I can't wait for Thailand.
Yeah, Thailand's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Meter maids are gone. I had to Google what is a meter maid. Meter maid. Meter maid Gold Coast. Yeah, wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, it's a. Wait, what? Dressed in the gold. Wait, what the hell is this? Oh, okay. This is not what. This is not what I thought this was gonna be. Iconic Service Paradise meter maids in 1965. Dressed in gold bikinis and tiaras, meet mates have strolled the streets of Surfers Paradise, feeding expired Parker's meat. What the fuck? Yes, I will become one of them. Fuck it out. Boom, boom. What's going on, John Luca? Yeah, type in, you go on meetamaids.com.
Oh. Someone was asking if you were on there?
Yeah, someone said, where is it? When you're going to do a side hustle, become a meter maid on the Gold Coast.
Well, you are going to Thailand and you do talk about.
Are you gonna hire a motorhome and travel around Oz at some point? Hey, I don't have any plans to do that, but when I did that in New Zealand, it was amazing. I would like to do that in Australia. Yeah, there's loads of places in Australia I'd like to see, but Australia is so much bigger that you kind of have to fly a lot of places. But maybe, I don't know, hire a massive motorhome, cruise down to, like, you know, Sydney, and then fly back, something like that. That'd be pretty cool. I do want to come visit Sydney this year. I want to visit Sydney, Melbourne. Where else is good on Australia?
The Rock.
The Rock? Where's The Rock?
Ayers Rock.
Ayers Rock? Where's Ayers Rock?
The Ayers Rock.
Ayers Rock? I don't know. Ayers Rock Resort?
Is Ayers Rock. That huge rock in the middle of the desert.
Oh, yes. Yeah. I would like to see that. Yeah. I don't know why I'd like to see it. It's just a rock in the middle of the desert, but it would be cool to see. A lot of people say you can't trade and travel, but I think it's bullshit. As long as you know your trading time, stick to your rules, and you have a routine. Absolutely. Trading and traveling was one of the best things that I ever did. You just adapt or you adjust to the time zone. It's the exact same shit. When people say you can't do travel, you can't talking about, you know, trading whilst you're traveling, like in an airport or on a plane. It's like, yeah, I know shit, but I mean, as soon as you get set up, you get your, you know, you got your laptop, you got your portable monitor, you're ready to go. Trading and traveling is one of the best things anyone could do. I highly recommend it to everyone. Go experience new cultures, experience the countries of the money that you're trading. Yeah, it's honestly one of the best things I ever did was packing up my life into a one suitcase and just going. Not even a suitcase. I just had one big massive backpack, couple of clothes, my laptop, trading, and that was it. It was the best, one of the best things I ever did.
Taking a suitcase to Thailand.
No. I just take it a big backpack. Traveling around Thailand with a suitcase is a ball ache. When I went to Thailand last time, I took a big suitcase because I was moving here, but yeah. I put it in storage for the whole time I was there and just took a backpack around.
Really?
Yes, it is hard to. Yeah, just like, you know, like a big, like I don't mean like a backpack, but I got like a big, like, rucksack. Take it easy, Jimmy. Yeah, talk to you soon, man. Travel and trade is the dream. Yeah, traveling and trading is the best. Best thing you can do. Is YouTube lagging again? Yeah, traveling and trading is amazing. Amazing for the mind. Just expand your knowledge. You know, you don't care about losses. You know, you're exploring a new country. You go take a loss. Guess what? You close your laptop and you go out for the day. You go enjoy the new country that you're visiting. You go eat some good food. You go drink some coffee shops. You go explore. You trade for freedom. Casey, thoughts on gold? Not much until we pull back, to be honest. I need gold to pull back so I can go short. We need to come back up and grab some highs. Maybe, you know, now that we've fully broken 1850 for the first time that we've been waiting for, now we can retest and look for shorts. But the daily actually hasn't closed below 1850 yet. So 1850 is a huge level on gold. Let me just clean this up a bit. Look at this. If we close below today, if we close below 1850, then I think tomorrow we come retest 1850, and then next target is 1800. Visit the Candy Mansion. Yeah, I've heard of the Candy Mansion. I saw the people there on Australia Day. For me, it's the most appealing part of trading. Yeah, that was the same for me, man. The most appealing part of is just with internet signal, of course. Yeah. Everywhere you go, you got to make sure you have good internet. But yeah, being able to just pack up your laptop, pack up your suitcase, and just be gone. New country is amazing. When I have a good trading month, I'd go stay at nice places, treat yourself. And when I was in Europe, I would just go on like Google Flights, and I would just type in the destination of where I was, and then type in Europe and just pick any place that looked kind of cool and just go with it. And I visited some random places that I never would have thought I'd even visit, and they were some of the coolest. What moment in life made you want to escape the Matrix? All of it. Ever since I was 14 years old working a job, I hated it. Not that I, hated working, but I hated working for someone else, knowing that my time was being leveraged for someone else's freedom. And I was never ever happy with that. I could, let's say if I make, 100 grand a year in trading, or make 200 grand in a 9-to-5 job, I'll take less salary to have my own freedom every fucking time.
Every single day.
Yeah, every motherfucking day. And that was always my goal. I was like, trading at least if I can make 70% of my 9-to-5 income, that's good enough for me to run with it and be more happier. Be more happier doing that than if I was, working a job, doing something I don't enjoy, being told I got to be at a certain place at a certain time, earning more money. Freedom and happiness is more important than money.
Absolutely.
But yeah, there was no like moment for me. I've always been like this. It's just something that some people have or you don't. You either have it or you don't. There's nothing wrong with doing a normal job. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. But for me, I just wasn't happy doing it, and I'm all about doing what makes you happy. Where's the Telegram link? I'll post it in here, man. It's just a free link. I just post the updates in there as well. Waiting for the kids to grow so I can go travel. I'm getting on a bit now. Hey, never ever too late to travel. Never too late to travel.
No.
Never.
I'm old enough to travel.
Yeah, man. Yeah, never. I don't. Even like when you get to like your 60s and your kids grow up, and it's still then sell up, go travel. Still an amazing time to do it. I don't think it's ever too late to go travel.
Never. Never stop.
No, never. I love traveling. Seeing new places, new people, new food, new cultures. Hey, look at the DAX. DAX booming. Terry, did you take that? We got the closure above. We got the retest. I hope you took that, Terry. After talking about the DAX, I said wait for the closure. You got the closure. You get the quick retest. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. My dream. Hell yeah, man. Do it, man. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Thoughts on GU? Let's have a look, man.
Interesting is if you did catch it.
Yeah, Terry, did you catch it? I don't trade it. I didn't catch it. What did you say? Thoughts on GU? Hourly time frame looking like it's broke a key level. Oh, I don't think so. I mean, look at that. Huge hourly pushback down, and now we're pulling back up after we've just grabbed these lows here. I think, we have broken this major level back here, so we could come up, retest these levels and go short. But we have, just taken some lows here. How's the daily looking? I don't trade GU too much. I don't really like it, but let's see. Yeah, to me, daily is looking like it could go lower. So, yeah, I think retest and that looks nice to me. Had that previous daily high, wicked out the daily high. Today could close bearish, and you could be coming to come and grab some lows down here. You taking out this little wick like we're waiting for on GJ. Boom, straight back down. Nice spot, man. Nice spot. Oh, look at that. Nice push up on gold. I'm not long. I'm not long right now because I'm not crazy because gold's in such a downtrend. But it'll be interesting. Don't do that. All right, who's taking this? Why is it doing that? Who's going long there on gold right now? I'm not. Are you long up into these highs? Nice, 140 pips. Okay, I'll delete this just in case anyone on YouTube thinks I'm actually taking this. I'm in college now, but I don't plan to get a job because I'm too lazy. I don't know if that's a reason not to get a job. Yeah.
No.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with working a job and building some personal capital as well. Having that job, you know, makes you realize how much you hate it and how much you might want to escape it. As much as I hated all the jobs that I've done throughout my time, it motivated me more to do what I do now. Take the trade on a low risk. Yeah, you could take it on a low risk, man. You could take a small little position size. It's a 30 pip stop loss. It's not bad. You'd be targeting to come back up and retest these levels, or maybe to come even target here. 70 pips. It's not bad. Worth taking a little position. I'm personally not though. I'm personally waiting, but it's not a bad one. GJ doing nothing this morning, so I still need to pull back up and grab these so I can go short. The great setup on EU. Did it play out? Let's have a look. Yeah, boy, it did. Look at that. Hardly though, but like you still see how much it's struggling to move. There's very little volume in the US dollar pairs right now. But if you did take this from the stream, good job. You should be still be in this. Yeah, stops to break even for sure.
Take partials.
Take partials. Quit your job.
Screenshots.
Yeah, MT4 screenshots on your story.
Screenshot that one.
Tag me.
Skip the lot size.
Scribble the 0.01 lot size. Put FX in your trader. Sorry, FX trader in your Instagram.
Yeah. Put a rocket as well.
Oh, hell yeah. You gotta get the rocket emojis in there. Yeah, I do it all the time, yeah. Zoe, let's have a look at AU. AU, look at that. Oh, look at that. AU, rip the highs, strong push back down. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Grab the highs one more time. I think AU goes lower. I think AU's coming down here. So if you can, on an intraday perspective, get the little retest, I'd be short in AU. I don't trade it too much, but yeah, I'll be looking for shorts. Pull back up and you could short AU down into them daily lows. Post a Lambo pic. Yeah, absolutely. You got to hire a Lambo for the day and post it all over your Instagram and schedule them posts throughout the year.
I want to go to Dubai.
Yeah, go to Dubai and hire a Lambo. That's a new trading thing as well. To be fair, if I was in Dubai, it would be pretty fun to hire a Lambo. I can't lie.
Audi R8. You can get a Lambo on the Audi R8.
Yeah, sweet. All right, we'll do it. Are you currently in any trades? No, not yet. We're waiting. Yeah, it'd be sick to cruise around Dubai and some sick cars. But no, we're not in any trades just yet. We're watching gold and we're watching GJ, but nothing's shaping up just yet. GJ is very, very quiet after this strong pushback down. I'd like to short GJ if we can come back up and grab these highs on the 15-minute. Yeah, as soon as GJ comes and grabs this 15-minute high, we'll be looking for shorts. Yeah, Zoe, no problem. If you get the pullback to go short, I think AU goes lower on the daily. Why is that line so messy? YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream, and hopefully if you drop a like, the markets will start moving and we can start taking some positions. But look at these candles since we started this London session. Very, very quiet. This was the move. We had this move. We need to range and then grab the liquidity and then we take the trade. So it's expected after such a big move.
I was watching our live. There was no move. There was no entry for me.
No.
Personally. Even how you said I still can't find an entry.
Dubai, hire a Lambo and make ads copy my trades. Affiliate marketers on NASDAQ. Copy my trades and, you know, put in there printing money daily with Forex. Swipe up. Copy my free trades. Just join the ship broker and deposit lots of money. The more trades you take, the more money I make.
I was watching like another trader on YouTube, like ages ago, and he was like doing this like private video, leaning on this like Ferrari, and then this guy comes over. He's like, "Hey man,
Oh no!
are you done with the rental yet?"
Oh no! It's painful. It's fucking painful. Shout out to Lambo Rule. Thoughts on top 3 personal disciplines a person needs for trading successfully? That's a good question. Do you want to give one, Alad? You got one?
You what? Sorry.
Thoughts on the top 3 personal disciplines a person needs to be trading successfully?
Clear rules.
Clear rules.
Make sure
Yeah.
you are clear. And make sure you stick with them. Yeah, because I was actually in a trade last week, and I was writing it down in my journal, and I was going through my rules.
Yeah.
Then I realised that I broke one of my rules, and it was actually in profit for like 2-3 pips, but I still cancelled it.
Yeah.
I cut it out, and it was a break even. Even though it went into the profit and it actually hit the TP,
Yeah.
it still was a bad trade for me because I broke my rules.
Yeah. It's true.
So definitely have, and that's genuine. That's actually.
Yeah.
I didn't tell you about that either.
No, I think you did.
saying
No,
that.
you kept that secret.
Yeah, so I forgot to tell you that. So you definitely have your rules.
Rules, yeah, I agree.
set in place.
Yeah.
The emotions.
Yeah.
Trading is a big one.
Rules.
What would you say?
Rules, patience, and risk management. Discipline as well. You know. So you see thoughts on the top 3 personal disciplines someone needs. Discipline is one of them. Discipline to stick to your rules. Discipline to stay patient. Discipline to stick to risk management, to not get emotional. You know, if you take a couple of losses and you get that voice in your head that goes, you know, take an extra position. I'll risk a little bit more. Discipline to ignore all that bullshit, and stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. As long as you've got a plan that you know works consistently, you got to have the discipline to stick to it. So, the top 3 disciplines is patience, having your rules, and execution as well. You need execution. You need to be able to execute your plan every time you see it, regardless of what's happened in the past. If you've taken a loss, you need to execute the trade again. And if that trade takes a loss, then you've got to execute it again. And even if that trade comes into a massive winner, the next one, then you execute the next one again. So execution's a big one. Hesitation is what kills traders. That's what we say all the time. Hesitation kills traders. Which one, sorry?
Belief
Belief.
in yourself.
Yeah, self-belief, that's a good one.
That's a huge one.
Yeah.
Like 90% of the answers, if you write them down and look at them, they're actually emotions. They're actually sort of human error. And
Yeah.
it's all about that. What's the word? Is it physio? No.
Psychology. Psychology, yeah.
It's all about that. It's, you can generally actually have the best setup that a trader could have. You could have, it's, you know, like, you can have a guaranteed winner each one. But if your emotions aren't in check, you're not going to win the trade.
No. It's true.
You know?
You have the best plan in the world, but if you can't execute it, it's pointless.
Yeah. and it's hard, right?
Yeah, very,
It's really
very,
hard.
very.
Not easy. Like, same as a doctor, though. If a doctor was, if he was full of emotions, or she was full of emotions, and thinking of the life of the person on the table that they were working on or saving,
Yeah.
then majority of the time they'd probably kill that person because they would probably make the wrong decision.
It's true. It's true. It's very true. Paul, DAX, 50 pips banked. Good shit, Paul. Good fucking job.
Boys.
Yo, here he is.
What's going on, team?
How's it going, man?
Yeah, mate, I've literally just walked in the door. It was bloody hectic.
Oh, man, we just took a banger.
You joking?
No, we haven't. No, we haven't. You actually haven't missed anything. You ain't missed food.
I've just missed the boys, that's all.
Oh, look at that.
Much love in the community. Actually, that is actually, there is a lot of love going around.
Yeah, we get some good vibes going on here.
And I've been watching the market. There's been some nice clean moves.
Yeah, gold had a big drop.
Pushes.
Asia on gold was the absolute play.
Let me get my egg of a head on the screen.
Get it up there.
No one needs to see that. Hey,
there it is.
Okay.
I'll get my hair cut tomorrow, even though I don't really need it. It's alright.
I'm growing my fringe and I'm cutting everything else.
Nice.
Well, this is the first time I've ever buzzed my hair, I think, like a month ago. I've never had a buzz cut, but it's chill, it's good.
Nice.
It's coming so close where I'm just going to shave it all off because, like,
do it. Get it off.
Receding so bad.
Get yourself to Turkey.
On Jean-Luc, we'll just go bald together. I'll go bald for Thailand.
I will absolutely not be participating in that.
You got a good head of hair, eh?
Yeah, it's hanging in there. I look decent, yeah.
Decent to my shot.
I'm trying to find a new wallpaper after everyone. Alright, I got one. Oh yeah, I got my wallpaper of the day. Maybe that can be the segment.
Morning, Aaron. Do you journal your trades? Yes, I do, man. This is pretty much my journal. This and the community is like me journaling my trades, and I recap them as well. Monomate just joined. Any trade setups, Aaron? Nothing yet, man. I'm considering shorting GJ once we get into these levels. And if I was a crazy mofo, this is the long on gold that I get, but I'm not taking this on gold as yet. But yeah, I think gold needs to pull back to go short, and I think GJ needs to come and grab this 5-minute high to potentially go lower. But GJ has just liquidated this low here, which is where if I was shorting up here, that would be where my target is. So as soon as we grab that low, that's kind of the level where we could potentially go higher.
And that's bang on that psychological level too.
Yeah, 161 there as well. Boom.
Booming.
Fucking save me a ton of time from combing me pocket. Yeah, it's true. Terry, Lewis turned up. No, Lewis hasn't turned up. Lewis hasn't turned up to class.
He hasn't been on for a while, eh?
No, I think he's just been on a solo grind recently. He's been on that solo grind. He's still been sending me some nice positions. But he's been in the background on that grind. GJ pushing higher after pushing them lows. Gold's going higher. Did anyone take this gold setup? I did not.
Yeah, I'm in 60 lots.
Oh, you just half risk today or what? Hey, speak of the devil, here he is.
No.
Look
way.
who's just joined the waiting room. He must have felt his ears burning. Come on.
You're actually here, yeah. Afternoon.
There he is.
Hey.
We were just talking. We were just
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
about
yeah.
you.
Oh, thanks. You need a coffee. You okay?
No, I just had one.
Mark,
Well, it was like,
Mark's in the desert. Mark, you in the desert?
Oh, come on.
That's
So I'm
awesome.
not singing at the start, but we'll get it in a few years.
No, England will get the next
Oh,
one.
hello. Oh, GJ. Go on, lad.
Yeah,
GJ's
GJ.
pushing up.
Look at
off that
GJ.
level.
50, nice. Lewis heard me yet. Terry Lewis did hear you.
Go
We
on.
traded today, yeah?
No, nothing yet, man. Have you?
Yeah, I'm in Nas Long.
Come on. Lol, did he just say 60 lots on gold?
I bought 27 pips.
Nice, 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 nice. Yep.
I didn't see a signal.
No, I'm underpaid.
No more signals. Yeah, he just said 60 lots. Alid trades. That's 60 lots. That's half risk for Alid today.
Being conservative.
Yeah, just, you know, keeping it safe.
What's this? The irony is new traders are conditioned not to take reversal trades due to the risk, and yet trading liquidity sweeps is in a sense reversal trading. Thoughts? Yeah, absolutely. Like it depends really. Like I mean, like GJ is in an uptrend, so if you had taken this long off this liquidity grab, I think that would still be valid. But yeah, I don't think there's reversal trading is stupid when you're trying to catch lows. Like you want to take the trades once you get the closures above. But there's nothing wrong with reversal trading. You just need to know how to do it. But yeah, a lot of people don't know how to reverse trade. They just try and pick tops and bottoms, but that's not. Look at that GJ ripping high up. Would it be a 20 pip stop loss on GJ? Trying to work on my lot size. It would be depending on how we close. If GJ closes like this, I may consider longs. Because we grab these lows, if we break above this level, then we could go long. If we get a nice strong closure here,
that
we'll go
last
long.
5 minute was a 20 pip candle.
Yeah, which is huge. Let's get GJ on the big screen. Yes, solid. Look at that. Rip the lows, pushing higher. Now we got these closures. If we pull back, we could look for longs. Got some nice volume out of nowhere. Some nice volume. What's going on now? What's so funny? Because that Owly on GJ could be now turning. Look at that. Owly closed so bearish, grabbed this low, now starting to close bullish. This next few 5 minutes of this last Owly is going to be key. It's going to be key. Come on. No, I did not buy gold. I said that you could have bought gold, but I personally didn't take it. I need to see a little bit more. Because look, we had this low, we ripped the lows, then strong push back up, rejected, and now we're just kind of rejecting. So not a lot of volume on gold right now. I'm watching GJ for potential longs, man. You're right about EJ going up further. Nice. Did we come and grab them highs that we mentioned? I think we did.
Yeah, it's pushing too.
We had some nice double tops on EJ from the start of the stream. Yeah, we did. Look at that. Boom, look at that. Yeah. That's why I said not to short Mikey. Although we didn't take the long, but also saved you a loss as well. Anyone who was trying to short EJ be shorting this rejection, stops above, looking for this big playback down. But the reason we don't take this trade is because we have to see this liquidity taken. And although you may not have caught the long up, you also saved yourself from not taking the loss by trying to jump in the short too early. So sometimes staying patient, even though you don't take the long, you've also saved yourself a loss. So to me, that's a win. So that was a good job on staying patient on that one. But yeah,
All
GG.
we do is win.
Come on, that's all we do.
DJ Khaled.
Come on.
Best of the best.
Still. Yeah, let's see how this 5 bet's gonna close on GJ. This takes 15 next and hourly as well. We wanna see like a nice rejection here and then close like this in the next 5 minutes to come and grab that low, and then we can look for the long. So we want a nice rejection here, start to push up, grab that little wick, and then we can see the long. Look at that nice strong push up. Let's go in the waiting room. Where is
Use your 1 pip stop loss.
You taking many trades this week, Lewis?
Yeah, I've been pretty busy.
Busy still. You making bank?
Yeah, I know. Look at all these trades this week.
Oh, that's a lot of reds. That's a lot
Let's
of.
go.
Oh, look at all them reds.
Wait, no, that's more blues.
Yes, sir.
The sky in Wales is bluer than those. There is.
Oh, it's on YouTube too. I just checked that.
Yeah.
You know that Lewis. I've got that screen record. I'm gonna zoom in right now.
Yeah.
What time is this, Aaron?
Why does it say 0.01? What? What's that?
Oh no, please don't.
I love the way he's going with it. It's great.
They get that 5 minute. Now I want to see this next 5 minute on GJ. Come and grab this 5 minute low. Grab this. Oh, don't say it.
Why that low?
Hey. Because look.
Oh, okay.
You're getting banned for that. Lewis is getting kicked. Everyone say bye, Lewis. Yeah. This hourly. GJ's been a slow grind this morning. It's going to be a US sesh today, I think.
I'll wait for the hourly on GJ. Holy shit.
Yeah.
You had a balloon on your ceiling, Lewis?
Yeah, that's what I was just looking at. It looked like a balloon or a boxing glove or something.
Yeah, you had a balloon?
Oh yeah, that's balloon. It's kind of dead though.
Yeah. It's dead.
Yeah, well, it's dying.
You gonna,
It's a bit deflated.
yeah, you gonna set it free?
Yeah.
You gonna set it free?
No, that's pollution.
Yeah, that was the correct answer. That was a test.
Oh, we get that.
Yeah, that was just a test and you passed, so good
I
job.
don't know what you do on your birthday, Sam.
Oh yes, you do.
This hourly looks like it's going to close really nice off that previous level.
Yeah. See, yeah, flipping bullish. Just had a 4 hour looking. Oh yeah, look at that
And
4
it's
hour.
tapped into that
Oof.
wick too before it pushed.
4 hours grabbing all these lows, potential to rip. Hey Aaron, thanks to following you. I found the perfect liquidity grab on GER and took my 1 to 3 and left the run trying to catch some highs. Yes, good shit, man. Good to hear. Liquidity grabs are the key. Good shit, man. Good trade. Good trade. We had that on the we were looking at the DAX before as well, but I don't trade it. But yeah, great play. Great play. Look at that. came to fill in that gap. Grab the lows, break above, close above the resistance, retest, boom. This is the setup that we're trying to play on GJ. I just don't trade the DAX, so I don't know how it moves. But that's the plan. Double bottom, grab the lows.
That looks like
Boom.
an ASX chart. Oh.
Yeah, they're well messy, man.
Sorry to interrupt you, bro.
No, EJ just grabbed them highs you mentioned earlier. Yes, it did. That's why we didn't short EJ. Anyone shorting EJ here, stops above the double top, just been ripped out. Ripped higher. So although we haven't jumped in a trade, we also haven't taken on an unnecessary loss. Wrong chart.
Absolutely pissing down right now. Honestly, like, this is just
Grim.
relentless.
That's Miles for you.
So nice over here.
Yeah, stunning here.
So happy for you guys.
Mark's in the
It's
desert
probably
as
still
well.
40 degrees over here. Let's see.
Fucking hell.
It fucking feels like it.
It's only 25 degrees at 7 o'clock at night.
It's fucking crazy.
Probably like 80% humidity.
Yeah, it's the humidity that's
This
crazy.
is closing strong hourly. It's pushing
Yeah.
up. Taking
This is
that top
nice. Do we grab this low yet? Not
weight.
yet.
Interesting. It's gonna. Oh, here we go. She's off.
Oh, she's going. She's going for it. No entry. Fucking hell, man.
Oh.
Oh, is she gonna break it?
Typical GJ.
Look at that. The last 20 seconds of this 5-minute candle.
That's why I wait for close.
Yeah, literally.
Is she going? Is like the 15 hasn't moved.
Yeah, if the hourly closed bullish like it just has, I still think boom, boom. Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah. You'd want it to drive down and create sort of a bottom wick before it pushes up, because that one didn't really have much range on the bottom. That's probably what it will do. Flip and then pump.
Yeah, well now we got that strong closure. If any pullbacks, and I'm long. We've grabbed the lows, strong push up, broken all the structure. As soon as we come back down for retest, I'm long GJ.
And it's off a big 4-hour level too.
Yeah, the
That's
4
a
hours
support.
juicy. Ripped all of these lows. Boom. We can delete this one off now. So as soon as we pull back, I'm long on GJ.
Yeah.
I'm long. I would like it to come and grab these little lows here. Maybe quickly retest these highs, and then I'll go long.
You'll go without us.
Yeah, probably, man. I've been watching this crap this all morning. All of this price action for like an hour. Just been watching this. Now we're breaking out.
Now it'll rip.
Boom. Yeah, probably. On the daily, yeah, big grab, big grab. Big grab.
It hasn't formed much of a bottom wick on the hourly, so it could still retrace a bit.
Let's see
And then
how is the
drive.
hourly? Yeah, hourly is really, really nice. Yeah, hourly's not even created a bottom wick yet. So the hourly could still easily come down and then boom.
And if it taps into that level being extra confluence, which would be good.
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. And if I was long on GJ, I'd be long on GJ up into this daily high up here. In like around 1625 on GJ. That's where I'd long into. Long into
It's
1625.
clean traffic through that whole range.
Yeah, huge. So if we get a nice entry, and we get in long, we come down here. What? Potential 100 pip move. It's worth the wait. It is worth the wait.
We're getting a rejection here. Let's see if it drives down a bit.
Yeah, this is the rejection we want. This is the rejection we want. This is what we want to see.
Load up the 60 lots, Alan.
Yeah, I'll get them 60 lots ready, mate.
Oh, there's 120 now.
Here we go. That's what we wanted.
All right,
120 now, guys.
let's get ready. Right.
Big one now.
Right. Yeah, I'm gonna look for longs.
Yeah. It's a nice bottom wick forming on the hourly when it flips back bullish.
Yeah, agreed, man. Agreed. Yeah, look at that. Hourly, look at that. If hourly can come and retest this level here, I'm long up into 162, 1625. But we need to come and grab this little low here.
Yeah.
Grab this little low. We'll get something like this. Long on GJ now. Yeah, you could long now because we have broken this little resistance for retesting, but I just want to see if we can come down that a little bit more because 15-minute to me is very, very strong. We got this resistance, support, support, resistance. So it makes sense for us to come and grab this. Even if this 15-minute rejects, then I still think we can come and grab the 15-minute low before going. Like here, look at this. Like before this push back down, we have that high. We grab that high and then we have the push. So even if we started to reject here and start to push up, I still think we'll come and grab it. So I'm personally happy to wait for us to come down a little bit more. I mean, you could long now and you just have your stop down here, but I would just rather wait for a little bit more. Nicer risk to reward, more confirmed. And then we get that snipe. So we waited all morning for this. So let's see if we can get a nice position here now. Patience pays. This is why we wait. We wait for the good setups, and now we get these breakouts. Oh, she's coming. She is coming for it. Let's see. What would the stop loss be if we were just to take this? And stop loss would be around 16185. We get in around here. 14 pip stop loss for a potential 50 pip gain as a first target. Then to potentially to rip even higher. Look at that. 5 minute close strong. So if you were trying to chase this, the 5 minutes now just closed bearish. So you wait for patience. Patience. I'll wait for your entry. Nice. Yeah, let's see. The 5 minutes now creating this top wick. So I still think we're going to drive down a little bit more.
Yeah, it'll tag that area and flip.
Yeah.
Just drive.
It really could. If there's true volume and true momentum, yeah, we could flip from here pretty aggressively.
The only thing I don't like,
yeah.
to be honest, I'll put it down, not gonna lie.
Oh, I'm not going in just yet. I don't have any orders in just yet, by the way, guys. I'm just gonna see. Yeah, I'll be break even there. It's a nice spot. Not yet. You know, I'd rather this. If we start to reject here, I'll put a buy order on the break of this high. So if we start to get some rejections here, I'll put this buy order in, which would be around, just call it 1614. But let's see. I have it ready to click execution as soon as it comes in. So my buy stop would be at 1614. As soon as we start to throw signs of rejection, we'll put this in. I have it ready to rock and roll. 100 lots. I wish. I put in a 20 pip loss. Yeah, not bad, man. Not bad. 20 pip stop loss. Give it some room. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in now. Okay. Buy stop is in. Buy stop's in on the break of this high with around a 14-15 pip stop loss. First target will be this level that I had mentioned, and potentially to come all the way back up into the daily highs. So 14 pip stop loss is fantastic. I'm happy to take this.
It'll be good to trail stops too if it starts moving to like that 161.3 level, which should just forget that.
I agree. Yeah, let's think if we close below this level, then we just delete the order. So if we don't break this high, then we don't get executed. But if you're trying to chase retest right now and you were trying to jump straight in, you're sitting straight into drawdown. So if we wait for the break above, if it doesn't tag us in, then there's no problem. We don't take the trade, we don't take the loss. I'm entering now. Is that okay? I mean, you can. I am not entering now. I'm waiting for the break. I have my buy order in at these figures right here. I know you probably don't trade UK 100, but would you consider it as a liquidity grab? But I bought it. I will have a look, man. Let's see how GJ is going to go, and then I'll take a look. When are you looking at shorts on GJ? Yeah, I was. I was looking at shorts. after we grabbed, before we had grabbed these lows, but now that we've actually flipped bullish above this level, now I'm looking for longs because the hourly flipped bullish. So that's why you got to change your bias very, very quick. Look at that hourly. So if the hourly was rejecting this level, that's why I wanted a short, because we broke this level, we could retest, go lower. But now we break above, we trade what we see. Now we flip our bias and go long. We're not married to a bias, a direction.
That'll be a ripper entry too.
Yeah, it could be. If we got true volume, we could fling to the moon, straight to the moon. Look at that. We just grabbed this low right here, as we mentioned. Grab that low, retest these broken levels.
Jesus.
We go.
Opening all the windows in the house. She's in the car. She's fucked up to school.
Could you let us know when your buy order is executed? Yeah. You'll see it. You'll see it. My buy order is in at 1614, and we're about to get triggered. Look at this, starting to pull back up in the last minute of this candle, which is what we want to see. So what GJ does, GJ can look so bearish or so bullish, in the last 1 minute of the candle completely reverses. And we're just going for a 14 pip stop loss. So nice tight stop loss. If we're going to flip from here, we shouldn't need to come and grab this low one more time. So we're about to get into it. Boom, we are in. We are in.
That's going to look like an awesome entry on the high time frame when it runs up into those top targets. Snipers.
Yeah, I agree, man. Owlie's looking juicy. Juicy.
Alright, let's go.
Let's make that bank. As soon as we come into these levels here, we'll consider taking partials and potentially even go break even. Look at that. Fantastic entry. A 0 drawdown. Straight into profit.
That's a nice close on that 5 minute too.
Yeah, very bullish. So you've got a stop there. Now you're risking 10 pips.
Yeah.
You can actually put stop loss below this low now, and you're only risking 10 pips now. So stop loss, just call it 161. I'm putting my stop loss below that low, because if we take that low again, then I don't want to be in, because I think we could drive lower. So 161289. Come on, GG. We waited all morning for this, but look how that 5 minutes gone bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. There's a lot of low volume, so we need to be careful here, because when GJ shows this signs of low volume, it's risky. But this is the last 5 minute of this 15, so we want this 5 minute to break above this resistance right now. This next 5 minute for me has to close above this resistance for me to want to hold. There it is. Lewis, you in a meeting?
Yeah. Why are you watching me?
No. I'm in a trade. I'm busy. I'm trying to make bank over here.
Okay, I have to be quiet so they didn't pay me.
Go on, GJ, fly to the moon.
Yeah.
You reckon she will?
Not really. Well, I mean, like potentially, but it's just if we've got the volume. It doesn't look like we have any volume. The technicals are in play, but the volume's looking dead. If this 5 minute closes like this, I'll just close it straight away.
See if GJ meets us up here.
But I've taken, original stop loss was like 14 pips. So we've already reduced the stop loss by almost 50%. So we've almost taken 50% of the risk off the table. So we're already winning. We've got a lovely entry. We just need the momentum.
Just need some truck.
Thing is, right, there's so much liquidity where you've got that level, is there?
Yeah.
So much.
Yeah, so much, man. So much. But if this, like I say, if this 5 minute doesn't close bullish, then we're bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish. Then there's no volume. Then we have to manage that and just close and just wait. So, if this 5 minute doesn't close like this, my figure is on the trigger to close. But this GJ could look slow, and then
I don't have the magic keys to be so handy.
yeah, literally, because as soon as we don't, I'll just straight away. But GJ could look like this, and then you could close it now and think, oh, it's dead, and then before this 5 minute closes, we could be all the way back up here. That's what GJ does. So I'm not doing anything until this 5 minute closes. But I mean, we're sitting at a minuscule amount of profit right now. Actually got a nice entry. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream, because we're going to make bank. As soon as we hit 60 likes, GJ will go to the moon. That's what the market makers just said to me. They said if the stream hits 60 likes, they'll pump the market. That's what they said. I'll be joining Mark on the moon. Mark's on the moon. Let's watch the 15 houses.
60 likes and I'll do it. I'll press play.
I had to think then, I was like, what's he on about? I was like, alright, yeah.
See, because if the 30 doesn't, sorry, if this 5 minute doesn't break this, then this 30 minute low could be grabbed. So I want this 5 minute to break this resistance, because whenever we break this level, we don't just tap it once, we could come tap it multiple times before going. And if we don't, and we do grab this low, then we look to re-enter. But if the 5 minute breaks this resistance, we're happy to hold. And then we'll be
strong close
managing
here
risk.
for the last 20 seconds.
Boom, there she goes. Break it, you motherfucker. 62 likes, 64 likes. Guys, keep running up them likes. The more you keep liking, the higher GJ goes. So you guys just stop liking it. Now it's coming down already. As soon as you guys stop liking it, GJ started to go slow again. Oh, look at that. You closed right on the motherfucking resistance, didn't you?
Tell your mum, tell your sister, tell your friends.
Okay. Now, see, we didn't break the resistance, but we closed nice, but we're still respecting this resistance. So I'm gonna, my finger's on the trigger to get ready to potentially close, depending how we react when we come down to this current 5 minute low. But we're pushing down early on into this 5 minute. So, I mean, look, 10 pips at risk, it's almost worth just holding and waiting for a little bit more. How is that 15 minute close? Yeah, 50, beautiful to me. I'm gonna hold for a little bit more. I think we can afford to risk 10 pips. 63, yeah, 67. Yeah, you guys need to keep running up them likes, because the more you like, the higher GJ goes. As you saw, you guys stopped liking, GJ started to go back down. So we are failing to break this resistance, which is interesting, and it's something we need to be wary of. We're failing to break resistance, we're failing to break support. So we're mainly just in a range. Let's see. I think if we do come back down towards entry, I am going to potentially close. If we don't start rejecting right here, my finger's on the trigger, ready to potentially close. But we're pushing down early on into this 5 minute, which is what we want to see. We just created a nice little double bottom right there, which is now we're going to have to take that before we go higher. This little tiny little double bottom now has to be taken. So we can expect that we're probably going to go into a little bit of drawdown now. I mean, could come down, grab this. 2-3 pips. I can't go break even now, because if I go break even now, oh shit. If I go break even now, I think we're going to come and grab these lows, and I don't want to get stopped to break even before it goes. So, are we doing it? Are we going to the 1 minute? Alright, let's do it.
Yellow.
YOLO. I'm going to close here. I don't like this. I don't like the way we're failing to push back down. I just closed that minus 2 pips. So basically fucking break even. I just closed that. I don't like that. If price had broken that resistance, I would be happy to hold, but the fact that we haven't, if we start to reject here, I'll potentially look to re-enter, but I just closed this at minus 2 pips, so basically fucking break even. You guys can hold if you want. It's still valid. But
Re-entries on the flip too.
Yeah, that's what I think I'll do.
Bearish ones that could like have some buy stops above some of those highs if it was to dry up.
Yeah, Because like my concerns with this are the fact that we're respecting the resistance, but more so the way that the 5 minutes going bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, doji, bearish. Like that to me is the biggest warning flags of low volume. And whenever there's low volume, we got to manage it. So I'm happy to take the quick 2-pip loss there and wait. Two pips is nothing. But let's see how it. I'm leaving this on to see how it would have played. So I'll be sitting in even more drawdown right now. But again, yeah, we still could get the re-entry here, but we just need volume. We don't have volume on our side right now. That's what we need.
And it's one of those plays, if it was going to push up the volume and kick in, it shouldn't be sort of stalling like that from those levels if the volume was there.
Yeah, that's the thing, man. That's the thing. When we take these entries in the past, when the volume's there, you get triggered like that, and the momentum just keeps going. And whenever we stall straight away, I'm like, yeah, man, I'm gonna do something about that. If we don't trigger the way we did, because we had a fantastic entry, grab the low, strong 5 minute, to then go doji again, it's like, yeah, we're not ready for takeoff just yet. So yeah, that's why it's good that you like notice that as well. If you don't see price following the plan of what you want to do, don't just let it hit stop loss. Do something about it. We said, YouTube guys, as we were in this position, if we don't break above that resistance, then that's when we need to manage our risk and do something about it. And look at this. We've now hit almost full stop loss. And I closed it pretty much instantly as we started to take this low. Because if there's no momentum, then there's no reason to hold the trade other than pure hopium that I want it to go up. So good trade, good management. Now we just need to wait for a little bit more. But if this 5 minute thing is now going to close bearish again, I'm not going to do anything till we see how we react once we grab this low. Did you get triggered in that one, Alad?
Yeah, I closed break even.
Good
When it was coming back down,
Yeah.
I didn't like it at all. I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to
Good man.
cloud anyone else's judgment. But yeah, I did like 1 pip, so
Yeah.
great.
Good shit. Good management. Great management again from the boys. Now, yeah, I think we go lower now. So
Just, yeah, I think breaking this level, then it'll go down. But I don't know. It's just that what was it?
Now breaking the
9
level,
to
just-
10 past 9. A candle, the 5 minute. That was looking really nice. But like I said, you know, it just didn't want to continue at all. So
yeah.
in my mind, then I was out.
So we closed what here?
Exactly what you said. Basically. But,
Great management.
yeah.
Great management.
I was going to say that was great risk management too.
Yeah, spot on, man. Spot on.
I wanted it to close above there, you know.
Yeah.
If I could have closed like that, then holy shit, that would have gone.
Easy, yeah, easy. And we've had them entries before where we get the entry like that, we go straight into profit, and then it just booms. If there's true volume, it doesn't slow down like this. Whenever I see this slow down, I'm like, yeah, this isn't ready to go just yet.
Yeah.
And look at that. Now we would have hit full stop loss. So great management, very good management. Our original stop was around 14 pips around down here. So a lot of traders, what you'll see is they'll just sit in this drawdown and do nothing about it, and or they'll have 20-30 pip stop losses, and they won't see that price is going against them. Price is rejecting resistance, closed bearish. The only reason you're holding holding longs is because you're so married to what you think is going to happen as opposed to seeing what's actually happening. Price is respecting resistance, breaking lower. Why would you hold longs? There's no reason to hold longs. So if you fail to break resistance, if anything at this point here, you should be going short. If you get the short entry, you shouldn't be holding longs. So whenever we do break back below this wick, boom, out, done. We wait and go again. And on the hourly, we need confirmation. Yeah, I think on the hourly, this still has the potential to flip bullish. But again, it all depends on volume. Although we're breaking back lower, like I mentioned, we could still, on the 30-minute, take that 30-minute low. Was it on the 15, sorry? frozen. Yeah, like I said, if we don't push up here, we could come and grab this 15-minute low, which we're still now grabbing. We could even potentially grab this before then that hourly flips bearish. Bullish. But the hourly to me still makes sense for me to go long, but it depends if we get the volume. And right now, I'm not going to do anything just yet. That was a great trade, great entry, great management. So for now, we just got to sit on our hands and wait for a little bit more.
Yeah. The 4 hourly is looking, well, it was looking very nice.
Yeah, very, very nice. Very, very nice.
Nice, very good.
Very nice.
Just needed a bit of tickling around that, you know, a little bit of teasing around that.
A little bit of Monica, dollars.
Yeah. Monica
Sure?
needed to come in, but yeah. Or then, you know, big.
John Luca, that looks nice, man. I like that.
Free entertainment for the live stream. Just carefully doesn't send you the invoice after.
That's a lovely entry, John Luca. Very, very nice. Double top, grabbed, boom. I'd be break even on that if I was in that right now. Lovely entry. Lovely entry.
Where was the signal?
Yeah, where was the signal, John Luca? No signal, no reward. So you got here. So what you're running, what? It's not, but the fact that we are ranging, I personally would be break even here. But good execution, man. Great execution. Let me see. Where are we at? Yeah, GJ ripping lower. I could binge watch these streams all day. Gems, hey, thank you, appreciate it. Lots of values on these streams, even with this trade management. Sharing, hiding that 0.01 lot. But give me 2 secs. I'm just gonna yeah, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up here. We've been on for 2.5 hours, usually longer than I stay. This was a lovely trade, great management. We just didn't have the volume on our side today, but you keep taking setups like this, and guys, rewatch the stream, rewatch the reasons why I took this trade, why I was originally looking for shorts, flipped the bias in the matter of a second, and then was able to take the other side and do something about it as well. So if anything, if now GJ can pull back up, I'll be looking for shorts, but I'm pretty much gonna call it a stream here. Gonna go get some dinner and then come back for the US session and do the exact same thing again. So I hope you guys did enjoy the stream. Apologies for the lag early on, or if there is still lag. But guys, drop a little like if you did enjoy it. Remember, we'll be going live the same time on Friday again. So I hope to see you guys there. Appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. If I did miss your question or anything like that, then just drop me a message on Instagram, and then I'll be happy to run over it. But I hope you guys enjoy the stream. Drop a little like, subscribe to check out all my other travel trading videos, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.